What's up, guys? This is Philly Swords RC. Today I got the Team Karali Shiroi. I haven't had this out in a while. I didn't do too many runs on it, which I didn't notice. I ran it pretty good, but it was the winter time and I had a lot of obstacles in my way. So today I want to do another video on the Shiroi. This thing is a beast, man. It's faster than I thought it would be. I'm gonna let y'all check out what I got on the inside. I got the hobby wing setup, but I'm gonna let y'all check that out real quick. On the inside, we got that 200 amp ESC and the 2200 kV motor, hobby wing, and we also got the Eco Power servo. But yeah, what I'm doing today, I'm gonna do a speed test, on-road test, handling and everything. Team Karali hit this on the nose. This short course truck is sturdy, man. This thing is a beast. I like the whole design of it, how it's built. Only thing I don't like too much is the tires. The tires still seem to hold it down. Team Karali tires are never bad, but it can improve and could be a little better off. I mean, you can get some optional tires to put on here. Factory ones ain't bad, but it need to be a little more stiffer. In high speeds they balloon, but this is really not a speed car. So this is a short course truck. Only other thing I don't like about Team Karali cars now, they need to work on their battery strap. They improve durability, but them battery straps in the tray, it's still the same. That's all they need, is just get that down packed. I mean, but you can't expect too much at once. Yeah, but this thing is off the charts, man. Yeah, today I'm going to run this on the CNHL Lightning pack, and this pack has been good. I ran this pack about 10 different times in 7 different cars, and it hold it down. It hasn't lost cells. I mean, the charging is on point. Battery is pretty good, but at the same time, CNHL is having a sale. I'm gonna put it up in the screen right now, and I'm put it in the description below to let you check out the good deals they having. They're having the July sales, 50% off, and as you see, they have a few batteries up there going to their website. Pretty sure they got some more, but this is what they having to sell on right now. They even had planes. I'm surprised they had planes. I didn't even know they had planes in there. There was another company within them. They got planes, as you see the planes. Not a bad price. Yeah, I kind of want to get in the plane thing, so I don't know. I don't know. I haven't I drove a plane before. Don't get twisted. I drove a plane before, but I don't know if I want to start that habit. So what we're gonna do is throw that battery in there, put the nav in there, and I'll be right back. Ready. Let's see. We got the steering straight, pretty much. Oh yeah, she's straight. Not running the factory radio. And I'm doing one-handed. As soon as I mentioned I'm doing one-handed, I lost control. This road pretty empty at times, but I don't have that much time. I think I'm gonna do one good pass. Then I got a fly in my face. Yeah, that's what I'm saying with the tires. They balloon way too much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw my head on, use both my hands for this rig. Oh shit. Now I'm using both hands, so I'll make no mistakes. Yo, this thing is a beast. So I think I'll hit like maybe 65 miles an hour. Ah, you perfect. Yo, these tires. These tires are not going. See, the problem is the tires. I got a pit pad on it. I really can't get on it because it's like, and she all over the place, man. But all right, we gonna let that be it on the speed run with this. Like off-road is off the charts. That's what it's made for. Off-road is not made for speed running. So we gonna check that speed. We had 46. Now I did better than 46. Now I want to keep trying. All right, let's. All right, I gotta hit 50 something at least. We're gonna keep trying to hit that either 56 I just had. We're gonna turn down the steering through rate to a crawl. I think that's one of my things, not to mention the tires are ballooning something awful. Oh my pretty body. Well, the roof didn't take too much damage. The skid plate took most of the damage. So that's a good thing. I think I could pull off a side wheelie, but I'm not gonna do that with these tires because all I'm gonna do is blow them. Oh, these are some nice pizza cutters, I tell you that much. So we're gonna check that speed out. I mean, 46 again. Because off-road is where this thing belongs at. All that what I'm doing, speed test. I just want to see how fast it goes. It wasn't like this is slow. This is not hardly slow. Only rocking a 15 tooth pinion in there. So just imagine more. It wouldn't hold. Gotta take it easy on this too. This is that hobby wing, but my fan, I got a dual fans on the motor, but I don't have it hooked to nothing. Now imagine that. I installed the fan and never hooked them up. Yeah, I'm gonna turn up the steering dual rate. I'm about to go off-road. That's what it's made for. That's what it's made for. It hit that speed pump like it was barely there. See, that's what this thing is made for, man. Then I'm rocking that CNHL battery, which is non-stop. This thing is non-stop. Yeah. Boom. And we lost power. Yo, off the charts. There we go. Like, this is where it's at home at. Oh! Perfect. Now she on full power. Now, the problem with the yeah. Yo, this thing is a rocket right about now. Oh, grass way too high. Okay, let's get out of that grass. That's that alone. Yeah. Yo, this thing is a beast, man. Hard to control it, but and it's got that hobby wing in there. I don't think I got to go ham with the Shiroi here. I think it was always something here. Ooh, yeah, I'm back from the bash now. Back from speed testing, back from bashing around, and this ain't only thing I didn't do, which I wasn't going to do in this video. I didn't do any jumps. I want to literally drive the car the way it's supposed to be driven. Like, speed running is not where this car is at. It's not made to speed run. It's not made to really jump. It's made for what I was doing in the last part of the video, is driving off-road. You know, driving through gravel, grass, little something, but loose gravel is right at home with loose gravel. Only things I would change is the tires, the battery connectors, and the battery strap. Other than that, this thing is almost perfect. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I love the design of the car. I like the body of the car. I like how it's made on the inside. Some parts need to be a little more upgraded, like the bumper. I lost the bumper my first run, but that was due to the cold weather. That's why it snapped. I'm surprised I still got it. I don't even know I still got that. And now I'm want to get some parts. It was a little hard for me to find parts when I looked. I haven't looked lately, but in the wintertime, I was looking for parts for this car and I could not find it. This car is battle ready. You see, I took that spill and the roof scratched up, but not too bad. Half this stuff can come out with some cleaning. This right here can come out with some cleaning. But other than that, I like how they got the nets on there. I mean, I love this car, man. The number right here, that's, you know, it's on point. Very scaled. Push your limits. Yeah, like this thing is off the charts. And another thing I noticed, if you look at this, like the little words on here, the sponsors, they got Biddy Design up there. I didn't know this was part of Biddy Design. You know, they got a lot of sponsorships to this car. Biddy Design, I didn't see that. I don't know if y'all saw that in my last video, just so y'all know, Biddy Design is on there. But this is a beautiful body. It do look like an aftermarket body. Don't look like the factory bodies. This body don't look like a Team Corrali body. I mean, come on, let's be real. Yeah, but the next running video, I'm gonna find some tires for this to put some different tires on here. Definitely gonna change the tires out. So stay tuned for that. So in the comments below, let me know what you think about the Shiroi. And another thing, CNHL. Check that deal out they got on CNHL batteries. I'm telling you, I vouch for that, at least the ones I got. I can say from my experience. Let's just say that. Definitely check out that deal. Because from what I'm seeing, they had the lightning packs on sale, and I haven't seen anybody with those packs yet. But get those packs. I guarantee you're gonna love how they run. As always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell, subscribe, comment below, and I'm out.